Bro, so I can't even see nothing. But we're there at the Alkaline show, and that's a good thing we never pay for go inside because nothing now going because people don't want to move from the gates. So them don't want to start the show. So if me did pay me $60 for go in, I wouldn't see no show. So I am outside on the streets because I ate that, it's free. And I can't, well, I can hear, I can't really see the stage there, so like we're mad far. But I ate that, yeah. Came prepared. Matt came with his binoculars. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Shit. But yo, nothing going, people. Yeah. Yeah, see, but when I can't hear. When everything broke, it's too late now for them fights we nothing can walk. We're never gonna do no, let time catch up. Conquer the world now. That's a love, that's a lie. Before you fuck with the family, just try my mommy. Me can't sell out, me can't. You know the fame not mean nothing to me. If you want free one of my bread, and then you want to pray me. But Molly, oh God. That's a love, that's a lie. Before you fuck with the family, just try my mommy. Savvy, before you pray one of the quella, them you have to pray me. Them talk about we like every day, we talk about them like not one day. Me have video on the sound. Me have video on the sound, yeah? Me I get the surround sound. I'm sorry the view not good, but when I just have to check in the music. I have to tell you, say the pussy, them eyes, me, them eyes. Can't shut up, and them no criticize me. Every step and every move. Bad mind, none of them have me ticket and me hide it. Aye. Oh my God, you guys, it's alkaline. And with fresh sugar added. I really wish you guys could see. I really wish I could see. Have it, say it, eyes, man. It can't. What? No, but shut them out, me. Oh my God. Say buy me a floss. Aye. What you see, what you get, not a facade. Hey. From me look at me, I say anytime me get in, me I feel if I impact. Bumbaclart. Extra, listen. I know everybody got a blessing, some man need lessons, some man need extra lessons. Sammy big up himself, wifey. Never know no girl is spirit. Let me tell you something if you never know, idiot boy. Carry news together, no bad man style, no. No all of she. Pour out the matter where this me have to laugh. She screenshot the text send me. She have you was a big waist man. Me not pressure nobody daughter. It's alright, it's okay, you can live if you want to live. Me get man anywhere me ask for. Oh my God, you guys, my son.
Away mas eh. Don't like that. Do not make everything go to waste, baby. Please fight back. Have some faith in me when a girl like that. No, what make you do the done that though? Me would I never do you that? No, no, no way. No sacrifice your happiness because of ego. No, no believe everything what you see in the media. Me stressed out, come and miss my friend. Them no understand I get to joke them. You be the world to me the girl. Oh yeah, you not answer them, you not true then. Can't believe you get a new friend. And if I don't mean it, who then? You give up on me, please baby, don't throw it all away. Might have fuck up, but don't give up on me. Throw it all away. One bag of money.
Some Baba side girl. Fuffy. Vagina hole. Whenever you feel alone. Aye. Some light. Baby. We can move mountains when we are fucking, baby. Nobody else matters when we are fucking. Hold me close to you, don't let me go. When we are fun.
We're on another level. Put up your body, but don't let go. They fucking no regular, they on another level. I'm if you tell you, me say I'm if you tell you, baby, your body been calling. I'm like, baby, hello. So many things, baby, I wanna tell you, like the pussy so tight, they on another level.
So we do it when we ever eat upon me, saying creep upon me, that a pass out. Yellow ever look neat, have a flash out. I tell you your 2-piece with your ass out. Any for any girl, many for many. Hey, pretty girl with a body, every time and anybody. Yo, me need a pretty girl from a team. Give her some cocky first time son. I'll be rest of history if you know what I mean. Me say, hey, pretty girl, what you doing out there? So she hurting her love, I know she don't care. Pretty girl with a body. So me put her on my team. Golden, 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 golden girl with a golden hole. Wipe her body like you can't get tired. Like a girl is just a fire like a golden boat. Golden, golden, golden girl, golden hole, not a boring hole. What me have to admire? Ayana. Yeah, I'm so happy I'm not inside though. John All-Star. Hey, hold on, let me put on my tripod, yeah? I don't know what he's doing, but see me, yeah? Oh. Hey. Hey. But bye to me, haters. You have to know real well. You are beer talking at this or something, you know. I'm really happy to never spend my $60 for coming here, you know, because January. Oh, I'm still nothing people. Every morning I wake up, I jump in my vehicle. The family they are work too. There is nothing in the world them can do for hurt you. So fuck them. I just money and girls and fun. Money and girls and fun. Live with life before we life done. Cause we can do whatever we can do. We can do. Cause I can feel it in my brains. Whoa. Cool and easy. Well, Them love the way I roll. It. Them love the way I roll. Hear me now? Me no show off, me no hype on nobody. Them love the way I roll. This is how we cool and do it. This is how the real man do it. Anyway, no, they can't undo it. My big time. I'm so proud of myself. Big time. Yeah, big time. Son of a queen. But I'm a daughter of a queen. Yeah.
Big up. Never, ever, never will I leave your side. Never will I turn my back on you. I stand and watch you fight. I'll never, ever, never will ignore your cry. No girlfriend can take your stripes or wear your heels. That's not your size. Mommy, you know to say a boy come far. Mommy, you know to say a boy turn star. You can't punk her. Love me, mother. What are you talk about her?
Butter, bell buckle man I be them when little penny them you must think them big butter. If I no black flag I wave then I white. If you can't manage why you fi stay out of fight. A funeral come after 9 nights. If you can't manage why you fi stay out of fight.
No man don't have no me have our vices and our flaws. They want me to stumble. I go so hard I take no pause. Even if I fumble, don't laugh, just get young boss in charge. Man born to do this dog. No one a day after the yard. No give me no talk, no want it fast. Left from my school and straight on me turn a boss. No give me no talk, young boss.
Hey guys, so the show is over, and I'm really happy that I didn't spend my money. So I didn't tell you guys, but I was supposed to be going to, well, I went, but I was originally supposed to go to Fresh Fest, which was ALKALINE, MAVADO, and JAHMIEL. They were here in Toronto, and they were all doing a show together. So we never ended up getting our originally we had tickets, but because of where it was, we were like, we don't necessarily need the tickets, so we sold them because you could actually watch the show from outside. But I never thought it was, I mean, I knew it was going to be packed, but I did not think it was going to be that packed. So anywho, yeah, so tickets started at 45, they went up to 50, they went up to 60, and now they were all at 70 or 80. VIP was like $120, okay? Anyway, so the door opened at 3 o'clock, whatever, you know, Jamaicans, you never go for the time that they say that they're gonna be there for or whatever. So me and Bay came at, what time did we come? I don't even remember what time we came, but when we came, there was nobody on stage. Apparently JAHMIEL had already performed, and I'm telling you, like, it was late because it was like dark outside, so it had to be, we were only here for probably like an hour and a half, and it's like 10:30 right now. So let's say I came here at like 9. Actually, it was 9 o'clock because I remember we came at like 8:56, and JAHMIEL already performed. Nobody was on stage, no music was playing, no nothing. There was like issues with people in the trying to get into like backstage and stuff like that, so security police had to come remove people from backstage, from off the stage, all of that type of stuff. They didn't want to play music at that point in time, all of that type of nonsense. Then ALKALINE comes on stage, sings about 6 songs, as you guys would have seen, and then MAVADO miraculously comes on stage because, like, no offense, no shade, y'all know I love ALKALINE, but he is not a performer. Like, he's a great artist, he makes great music, but he's not a good performer. There's a big difference between being a great artist, like singing, DJing, whatever, and then there's a difference with like presenting yourself on stage. So he did not have that. Apparently MAVADO came on stage to kind of help with that, but even him, like, he only sang like 5 songs himself. Like, he was literally on stage for like 7 minutes. They sang Farewell, the song that they have with each other, and that was it. Like, that was it. People paid $60 or more to come in there to see that. Now, I'm gonna need for you dancehall artists, when you guys are coming to Canada, know that Canada has one of the biggest populations of Jamaican people there. we support you guys so much. You all need to give us more than 7 minutes. People are paying their hard-earned money, and when you guys are in Jamaica, tickets don't cost no more than $5 or $1,000, which is $5 or $10 Canadian. Y'all need to give us more money because y'all spend way more time on stage over there. Okay, so at the end of the day, I'm really happy. I was kind of sad and stuff because I was like, man, I wish I really had my ticket so I could go in, because I'm like, I don't really know what I'm going to see outside. But I'm kind of glad that I didn't go inside, because I would have, like, it would have been like money wasted. So sometimes, you know, really, if you kill up yourself, you should just go with the flow, and like, there's a reason why things work out the way that it works out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the little clips that I got for you guys. I know you guys couldn't really see the stage. I couldn't really see the stage either, but a man was there nice enough to lend me his binoculars so I could see a little bit. So I did get to see Alkaline. And yeah, until next time.